Hi, I'm Kristi Shive, one of the Warren County SNAP Education Assistants. And this month is National Nutrition Month. So I wanted us to focus on our health, eating around the MyPlate, and I wanted to make a recipe that could help us incorporate all of the 5 food groups. In our nutrition education programming, we have a special adult curriculum called Healthy Choices for Everybody. We have all kinds of recipes in that curriculum that are geared towards the MyPlate and helping us reach all of those 5 food groups that many of us are not getting in our daily diet. So today I'm going to make our apple and chicken salad from our Healthy Choices for Everybody curriculum. So the first thing we are going to start off with are 2 red apples diced. And this recipe is great if you wanted to make it maybe on a Sunday afternoon, and you could pack it for lunches throughout the week. I love to have something that I can make ahead of time and just eat on for a few days. Next, we are going to take 2 cups of diced chicken. If I'm in a hurry, I use canned chicken, which I've done today. Sometimes I'll grab a rotisserie chicken from the store, shred that up, anything to make things convenient and quick. Eating healthy doesn't always have to take hours slaving away in the kitchen. Next, we're going to take 2 celery stalks diced. And that's going to give it a little bit of a crunch that we often love with our chicken salad. Next, a ½ cup of raisins. And if you don't like raisins, or maybe you don't have them on hand, you can use any kind of dried fruit. That's going to really add in some sweetness and give our chicken salad some flavor. Next is what really makes this chicken salad so special. And this is a 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. And the great thing about using Greek yogurt in a recipe is that you're going to save some calories and fat that you might get from using a mayonnaise or a sour cream. But it's a similar texture, so it gives you that same feel, and it often takes on the same flavor as whatever you're mixing it with. So this recipe, you get the best of both worlds. So we have a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and now we're doing a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, light mayonnaise. So now we're just gonna mix everything up. And this month, as you are, whatever goals you have for yourself, whether it's to lose weight or to incorporate in more vegetables, just try to make it enjoyable, because we all want to eat food that we enjoy. Our children want to eat food that they enjoy, and mealtime can be a time whenever we all gather together, and it's often something that many of us don't get. It's a tradition that's been lost, and so try to find a time, even if it's just once or twice a week, that you can sit down together as a family, eat something nutritious, and fuel your bodies with food that is going to help you feel good and just really prepare you and your family for a bright future. So now that we have all of this mixed up, I have some leaf lettuce, and I'm going to serve it on that. You could serve it with crackers or just eat it plain as is, but I think lettuce wraps are a great way to add some nutritional value to a meal, and it looks beautiful when you serve it to your guests and to your family. And I hope that you have a wonderful March. I hope you have a wonderful year. Thank you so much for joining us, and stay tuned for more Country Cottage.